this video is to basically show you that Yoruba language is a structured language. Yoruba language is a language with a structure, just like English languages. Look at this. Mò ń sùn, which is I am sleeping. Here's the subject. Here is the auxiliary verb. It can also be called the tense marker in Yoruba. And this is the verb, sùn. This can be replaced. This can be replaced. You can also say Shola ń sùn. This can also be replaced. Shola ń jẹun. Very simple. Look at this one. Mò ń sùn ní ilé. Here we have the subject, I, the auxiliary verb, am, or the tense marker. Sleeping, sùn. Ní, at, home, ilé. I am sleeping at home. Mò ń sùn ní ilé. Ní, the preposition here, and ilé, the object. Very simple. I have eaten beans. Mo ti jẹ ẹ̀wà. The same thing applies to this. This is the subject. This is the auxiliary verb. This is the verb. And this is the object. Mo ti jẹ ẹ̀wà. Look at this. Ìwé mi wà ní orí tábìlì. That's my book is on the table. What to note here is that Yoruba determiners, qualifiers, and possessive pronouns usually come after the noun. Unlike in English, where we have the possessive pronoun, determiners, or qualifiers before the noun. Look at this. In English, we have my book, but Yoruba says literally book my. So that's why we have ìwé mi wà ní orí tábìlì. It could also be, let's say you want to say your book. You are going to say ìwé rẹ wà ní orí tábìlì. If you want to say that book, that's going to be ìwé yẹn in Yoruba, saying book that. Ìwé yẹn wà ní orí tábìlì. And then look at this, similar to what I just explained here. She bought new book. We have ó ra ìwé tuntun. This is new, the qualifier. That's the adjective. In Yoruba language, it comes after the noun, unlike in English where we have it before the noun. These are just some of the things you need to understand about Yoruba structure, and you're going to master the language very easily. We have our ebooks available for your learning. You can send a DM. All of these things are there. I can assure you, using the ebooks and so many other materials on this platform, you're going to learn your Yoruba very, very fast.